Hi, this is Rick from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6342. It's ran from the 5th 2011 to the 5th 2015. It has a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FC 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard one dent, left front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,